Welcome to InnoCity Analysis, where we explore the forces shaping our urban landscape. The whole idea we are discussing is the relationship between entrepreneurship, innovation, and cities. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of online communities and open innovation. In today's world, firms are increasingly looking beyond their own boundaries to tap into new resources and ideas. Online communities have become a powerful tool for this open innovation strategy. These communities take many forms, from open source software development to social networks like Facebook. But online communities are about more than just tech innovations. They connect people across the globe who share interests, allowing them to collaborate, create, and build solutions that push boundaries. These communities offer firms the opportunity to harness this collective creativity. However, working with online communities can be complex. Unlike traditional corporate structures, these communities are decentralized and self-organizing, making it challenging for firms to control and guide their directions. Research has shown that firms adopting open innovation strategies need to be smart about how they engage with these communities. Successful firms find ways to integrate ideas from external resources while maintaining strategic control. They may selectively reveal their resources or build communities around their products, encouraging innovation while fostering loyalty and a sense of belonging among users. Yet this approach comes with its own set of challenges. Managing the social dynamics of these decentralized communities can be resource intensive, and firms risk losing control of direction. Governance becomes a key issue, as firms need to navigate misaligned goals and varying levels of involvement. In this special issue, researchers delve into two central themes for managing online communities: governance and symbolic value creation. These themes have far-reaching implications for how we think about open innovation and how firms can successfully engage with these dynamic digital ecosystems. While much progress has been made in understanding the potential of online communities, the research is still evolving. Many questions remain about the best ways to integrate community-driven involvement into firm strategies. This special issue not only provides answers but also sparks new questions for future exploration. As we continue to explore the intersection of online communities and open innovation, it's clear that these digital spaces are reshaping how we think about innovation itself. The collaboration distributed nature of these communities is rewriting the rules, and firms can effectively engage with them, stand to benefit enormously.